Hi and welcome to the Demolic Cookery channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a classic Italian pesto. So one of our twins has just come back from Tuscany. He's been out there on holiday but also learning a lot of new recipes. So this recipe is from that visit. I'm going to be using basil for the pesto and also something a little bit different which surprised me. Normally I would put pine nuts in a pesto, but this recipe calls for walnuts, so can't wait to make it and try it. As usual, a full list of ingredients will be given at the end of the video. Let's have a look at those ingredients now and anything else we're going to need for today. Right, so firstly let's have a look at the basil. Fresh basil, organically grown. This is our little greenhouse. I've not featured this on the YouTube channel before. We've got masses of cucumbers, peppers, more cucumbers, and this is our basil. So this is one plant which I've purchased from the supermarket last year and it has gone absolutely crazy. So this provides all the basil that we need all the way through the year. Another thing, I don't want this to be a gardening program, but another thing which I've tried, which seems to be really successful. So this is ginger. So a piece of ginger from the supermarket, again, just planted in a bowl, and it looks to be doing fantastic. So we'll be harvesting that in about October. So the basil, nice big bunch of fresh basil. Going to take that now and then just give it a quick wash, and we'll crack on with the recipe. Okay, so the other ingredients apart from the basil, got some Parmesan cheese, clove of garlic, a handful of walnuts and some olive oil, and that's it. So the traditional method for making pesto is a pestle and mortar, hence the name sort of pesto, which I think means crushing or bashing. I'm going to use a mini chopper just to cheat. So first thing I want to do is just to add in some olive oil. About 100 ml. We're placing our garlic and the walnuts. I'm just going to blend that until everything's all broken down. Okay, so next thing, in goes the fresh basil. Again, we're just going to blitz that, not too much. Okay, so next, just going to add a little bit more olive oil. Again, I'm just eyeballing this. And now our grated Parmesan. So now I've just added in some grated Parmesan. So there you go, fresh pesto. Such a simple recipe. I always do the pesto just before we're going to use it so it's nice and fresh. Well, absolutely amazing. Please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, if you've enjoyed this particular video, hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.